We know that selling a home isn't always simple, especially when life throws you curveballs, like job changes, financial stress, or a property that's become more of a burden than a blessing. That's why we offer a fast, all-cash, immediate buyout option for homeowners who need a quick, hassle-free way just to move on. No repairs, no cleaning up, no open houses, no waiting around for the right buyer, just a fair offer and closing timeline that works for you. We buy houses in any condition, whether it's move-in ready or needs a little or a lot of work. But we also know cash isn't always the best fit for everyone. That's why we offer other flexible solutions as well, like equity protection programs and other creative financing options that can help you keep more of your equity while reducing stress. The bottom line is, we're here to listen, understand your goals, and provide options that help you find the right path forward. If a cash offer works, great. If another option makes more sense, we'll talk through that too. Let's align and figure out the best move for you and your family.